All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's, well, today's word of the day. So absurd, absurd, absurd. Something crazy and unrealistic. Yeah, not real, not real. Something strange. Yeah, crazy. Let's try and get a picture of crazy, shall we? Or little emoji. Yeah, perfect. Crazy, absurd. What is that? What is that? Yeah. He had an absurd idea. I have a lot of absurd ideas. Yes. I have a lot of absurd ideas. Crazy. The more absurd it is, the better. The more absurd the idea is, the better it is. How cool is that? They like his absurd ideas. They like his absurd ideas. These absurd ideas of yours, yeah, what can they do? What about these absurd ideas you have? So I have absurd ideas. Absurd ideas. It is an absurd plan. Okay. She wants an absurd life. He has an absurd house. So what? Strange. Absurd house. Yeah. I, she, he, it, they only buy absurd paintings. Yeah, they only buy absurd paintings, pictures and drawings. Yeah. He had an absurd idea last night. Yeah. Why is your idea so absurd? Why is it so absurd? What makes it crazy? What makes it weird and crazy? Yeah. I'm planning to write something absurd. Yeah. So these books are somewhat absurd. It is difficult to read them. Yeah, these books are somewhat absurd. They're a bit weird to read. When will we see the absurd film? So you need to watch this film. It is very absurd. Yeah, it has some strange ideas. Absurd film, absurd idea, absurd house, absurd clothes. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, absurd. So crazy, weird. How cool is that? So, can you use absurd in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.